Okay, this is Wing Rider. A lot of wind today, so if you get a little wind noise in the microphone, I'm sorry. It's Saturday, and we're on our way, Saturday evening, we're on our way to, my brother's behind me back there, we're on our way to Monticello, Florida for bike night. We're going to meet up with a couple more guys in our bike club, the Blue Knights, up here at Cherry Lake Crossroads. And I've got the GoPro mounted on the lower front part of my full face helmet, and hopefully it can give you like a virtual ride on a Gold Wing. You look down, those are your hands on the handlebars, just think of it that way. Here you are sitting in the seat and you're riding the Gold Wing. Close as I can get anyway, so just listen and look and enjoy your ride on the Gold Wing. I hope the camera's not pointed too low. It might be. If it is, I apologize for that. Hopefully it's about right. If not, I'll do another one later with it a little bit higher up. My brother Chris behind me is on his 2004 Honda Shadow Spirit, I think it is. He's got two of those, and then he's got a Harley Davidson Sportster. I have two motorcycles. I've got this 2012 Gold Wing. I bought it brand new in 2013 from a Honda dealer. And I also have a 1990 Honda Pacific Coast, or PC800, which is a lot of fun to ride. Nice machine. And if I feel like riding or going somewhere short distance, day hop, I can get on that one without putting the miles on my Gold Wing. Save it for over-the-road trips and bike night and such. Anyway, sorry. Enjoy the ride. On the GPS, that dotted line there is the Georgia state line, Georgia-Florida state line. We're in Florida, south of the state line. Driving on Highway 150, Northeast 150, it's 4:55 p.m. It's April 9th on a Saturday. This time of year it doesn't get dark until, I don't know, around 8 o'clock, 7:30. So, I live out in the country here in North Florida. It's beautiful. Most of it is. When I get to the crossroads here at Cherry Lake, I'll stop this video and start another one once we meet up with the other guys in the club. Blue Knights is a law enforcement only motorcycle club for active duty and retired law enforcement officers. And I'm retired Florida Highway Patrol. My brother, he's an honorary member. He's a truck driver. Had a lot of rain recently, so a lot of water everywhere. Ponds are overflowing and swamps are overflowing. Some roads are being closed. Here's the crossroads up here. We'll see if the guys are there yet. And there are their bikes. They are here. Oh.